What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to Salads That Don't Suck. Today we're doing a bean dip. Or is it a salad? This is a bean dip that we've been making for many years, but I argue with my wife that it more closely resembles a salad than a dip. You decide. In any case, it starts with black-eyed peas. I couldn't find any canned peas, so I had to make them from scratch. It's pretty easy to do, it just takes longer. Just follow the package instructions. If you can find canned peas, then go for it. Next, we'll practice my swordsmanship, rather, chop the vegetables. A combination of peppers, green onions, cilantro, and tomatoes. I'll include a list of the ingredients in the description below. We top it all off with a champagne vinaigrette, hence my salad argument. A quick way to remove the pit of the avocado is to cut all the way around it, remove one half, and then a quick chop to the middle, turn, and remove. I made this ahead of time and stashed it in the fridge for the following day, which is why I'm adding the avocado last. Mix it all together and enjoy. I suppose I'll try it on a chip to placate my significant other. Okay, maybe she's right. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.